When money is no object for the gaming PC you're buying, this is the rig you get. This is one of the greatest versions of our most popular customizable gaming PC, the Matrix, that we have ever built here at Radium. We already locked in the flagship Intel CPU, the Core Ultra 9 285K. This chip has top-tier productivity performance alongside smooth gaming. With three 4TB Samsung 990 Pro SSDs installed, this customer also demanded to be able to open 1000 Chrome tabs while editing in 8K. So we've got 192 gigs of high-speed DDR5 RAM. To complete this PC, there is no other option but the 2025 Emperor of the graphics cards, the RTX 5090. And in this Heightway 70 Touch with a vertical mount, damn, this build looks good.